So the people who say that the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ wrote the Quran, I'm going to basically completely trump that claim in just a minute. Focus with me, guys, alright? 62% of the words in the hadiths, the narrations of the Prophet, are not found in the Quran. And 83% of the words in the Quran are not found in the hadith. So that begs the question, how could the Prophet maintain two different speaking styles for 23 years? As eloquent as Shakespeare is, he could only maintain one style. Anyone in the world, they can only maintain one style. But we're talking about here complete different styles that were maintained for 23 years. You see how powerful that is? So to say that the Prophet ﷺ wrote the Quran is incorrect, it's invalid. And another thing as well, what was the very first revelation? The first ayah that came down. Iqra. What does Iqra mean? Read. Okay, could the Prophet read? So if the Prophet ﷺ authored the Quran, why would he reveal the first revelation, read, if he himself did not know how to read? Does that make sense?